Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Irene at Irene's Doll Space. She's the hostess, and Tina at Tina's Reborn, co-host, and DoriesDollies and I. And we have made coats for our Smart Dolls. Irene sent us patterns via Tina, but I went ahead and did a classic size coat. I made the pattern and I forgot some stuff, and I like it and I hate it. I did line it, but I wasn't thinking, and I did not line the hood to the coat, which is an issue. I wanted to do the classic size because I have a lot of classic Smart Dolls, but only one pair. So, and I wanted something, you know, we're all thinking spring now. The stores are filling up with swimsuits and Easter outfits, and so I did spring colors. Oh, come on, hold your little rabbit. And Easter's going to be here before you know it. And the idea, well, okay, shouldn't want to hold it. The idea I had, I made this oversized hood so that I could roll it back and you could see the liner, but see how I messed that up, and so it's not so cute like that. But I like it. I like the fabric. I didn't do a porthole because she's always turned this way, and I just didn't do one. But I like this pattern. I would make this again, but I would line the entire, well, both pieces, the outside and the liner, including the hood. I don't know what I was thinking. You know, you just make mistakes sometimes. Go by Irene Huff's Doll Space, DoriesDollies, and Tina's Reborns to see their Smart Doll coats today too. Let's see if we can get her hold that rabbit a little better. I love these. Isn't that the cutest?
Try the other hand.
It's all, well, she's got that ready to ride her bike or drive a car or ride a horse. I'm not sure what she's doing there, so she's holding the rabbit with this one. Go by Irene's, Dory's, and Tina's videos today. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to each of us. Thank you for watching.